front of me is EMPORIA Smart 4 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access all apps, scroll down and choose settings. Now choose security section over here and tap on screen lock. Following that, click on pin and enter it. When you're ready, select next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm. Now you need to pick one of those options to answer the question, how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want any, so I will go with the last option, don't show notifications at all, and tap on done at the bottom right corner. So now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pin is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!